Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic that might leave you a bit spooked. Have you ever had a dream where a dog was attacking you during pregnancy? If so, you are not alone. This dream scenario can be quite shocking and unsettling, sparking curiosity about its meaning. Dreams have always intrigued us with their mysterious messages and symbols, but dreaming of a dog attacking you while pregnant takes it to a whole new level. It's a common dream that often leaves people feeling fearful and confused. Today we are going to unravel the hidden meanings behind these unsettling dreams. So, why do dogs and pregnancy feature in our dreams and what do they symbolize? So, why do dogs and pregnancy features in our dreams and what do they symbolize? By exploring the significance of dogs in dream and the symbolize of pregnancy, we can gain insight into the subconscious messages our minds are trying to convey. These elements play a crucial role in psychology and dream analysis. Before we wrap up, don't forget to share your own dream experience in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more dreams analyze content and explore other intriguing topics on our channel. Thanks for watching and until next time, sweet dream.